From rugged tool watch to oceanic elegance, French brand Yema takes a bold leap with the all-new Navygraf Pearl CMM.20. Once built purely for performance under pressure, the Navygraf now surfaces with a shimmering new personality, featuring both a mother-of-pearl dial and bezel. Originally introduced in the 1970s as a simplified sibling to the famous Superman dive watch, the Navygraf was built for recreational divers, reliable, legible, and tough. Fast forward to today, and the Navygraf Pearl refines that legacy with a sleek 39mm stainless steel case, just 9.5 millimeters thick, powered by Yema's own in-house CMM.20 Micro-Rotor caliber. But what truly steals the spotlight is the material that gives this watch its name, mother of pearl. Both the dial and bezel shimmer with iridescent hues that dance under the light, a natural nod to the ocean depths where this watch was born. Yema pushes creative boundaries by applying mother of pearl not just on the dial, but also beneath the sapphire bezel insert. It's a rare design choice that merges art and engineering. The result? Two breathtaking options, a radiant aqua blue mother of pearl and a darker Tahitian variation. The dial maintains its professional layout, applied indices, rectangular and arrow markers every 15 minutes, and the iconic Superman handset, all treated with white superluminova for perfect readability, day or night. Inside beats Yema's latest generation CMM.20 Micro-Rotor automatic movement. It's ultra-slim at 3.7 millimeters, yet packs a 70-hour power reserve. Through the sapphire caseback, you'll see the dark-coated bridges decorated with radiant Côte de Genève and a tungsten micro-rotor spinning smoothly on ball bearings. With 200 meters of water resistance, the Navygraf Pearl remains every bit a capable dive companion, but with a distinctly refined soul. The Yema Navygraf Pearl CMM.20 is available in both blue and Tahitian variants, limited to just 200 pieces. On the steel bracelet, prices start at €2,299, while the FKM rubber strap version begins at €1,990. This watch is proof that toughness and beauty can coexist. A dive watch inspired by the ocean, now carrying its essence on the wrist. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know. Would you dive with a mother-of-pearl watch?